Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about another specific saw. It's called a reciprocating saw. And some of you are going to go, huh? What's a reciprocating saw? Well, you probably know it and just don't know that it's called. That's what its official name is. It also has been generically called a demolition saw, but it's most commonly known as a brand of a particular manufacturer, just like facial tissue is mostly known as Kleenex. Well, but the reciprocating saw is more commonly known as a Sawzall. All right, and so what does it look like? Here's one right here. As you can tell, this one is well used, and this is a special bimetal demolition blade that I have in it here. These things are really cool. This is my my Craftsman version with the battery pack on it. The reciprocating saw, try not to say Sawzall all the time. The reciprocating saw is great when you need to get into someplace tight, you need to cut some 2x4s, cut some branches on a tree, you need to get in, cut a piece of pipe, whether it's ABS, PVC, galvanized, ductile iron, whatever it is. This one here works great for getting into tight locations, making a cut where you can remove the pipe, board, whatever it is, out of the location. How popular are these? Well, let's see. I got this one here. I have a Porter cable. I have a Milwaukee, and I have a one from Harbor Freight Central Electric. And you know, I still keep a couple. I still keep two of them down in California. I got two up here. And I'm thinking about getting another one in to match the new Ryobi system I'm doing. So this is a very useful one. It's sort of like a jigsaw on steroids, because yeah, you can and you do stuff, but this thing here has a lot more blades available for it than the jigsaw does, and you can do so much with this that you can't do with most other saws. Now, do you need one of these? That's up to you. You figure it out. Okay, before we take off, I got a special announcement for later tonight. All right. So tonight on both channels, on Camp Patton Family Compound and here on graymanprepping, we have a special guest. I'm doing a simulcast to both channels at the same time. We have Dr. Paula Ruffin coming in, and she's going to be talking about nutrition, vitamins, prepping for winter, things you got to do to take care of your health. All right. So that's at 10 o'clock Eastern Time tonight, and it's on both channels, this channel and Camp Patton Family Compound. So if you have questions, write them down, and we'll have a question and answer period for asking questions. Also, speaking about getting ready for winter, have you been working on your preps for winter? Well, that's some of the stuff we're going to be talking about there tonight as well. Now, do you have any friends, relatives, co-workers, neighbors that know that you're prepping? Have you worked on getting them to prep a little on their own? Well, I'm going to put a couple, at the end here, I'm going to put a couple playlists over here. The playlist is Prepping for Beginners and Prepping in Private. And that way you can share those with them to help them walk slowly into prepping and to work on it slowly. Don't overwhelm them. Oh, you got to do this. You know, no. Slow and sure is the way to go when it comes to prepping. All right. Okay, so I'm also going to put a link up to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, and where I have some other prepping stuff on over there as well as gardening stuff. All right. Okay. Speaking of gardening stuff and other stuff like that, I'm just trying to get everything in here. I got so much information to give you here today. The $50 food challenge has kicked off. Did a live stream about it on Tuesday. Go back and check that out. I did an example video, came out yesterday, and I'll be coming out with another video possibly later this afternoon or Saturday morning with a little more details, because people keep asking questions and I keep trying to because they evidently can't get the rules down. So I'm going to be doing a step-by-step, all the rules for that as well. Alrighty? Okay, with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. And try to get those around you prepped, because you don't want them coming to take your stuff from you when something goes bad and leaving you out in the cold like this.